Welcome to my in-depth review of Movavi, one of the most popular tools for converting and editing documents. Movavi has been around for a while, and it's known for its user-friendly interface and versatile capabilities when it comes to document conversion. Today, I'll be giving you an honest walkthrough of everything you need to know about it. Starting with the interface, Movavi is refreshingly clean and straightforward. You are immediately greeted with a dashboard that makes navigating between its various features super easy. Whether you're trying to convert PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, or even image files, the layout is designed to be intuitive for beginners and experienced users alike. Movavi supports a wide range of file formats, which is a big plus. It effortlessly converts PDFs to Word, Excel, EPUB, and other commonly used formats. You can also convert images to text using its OCR feature, which is reasonably accurate, though not perfect. It's a great tool for quickly making files editable and usable in different formats without too much hassle. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about performance. The conversion process is usually fast, but with larger files, it can take a bit more time than you'd hope. The quality of the converted files is mostly excellent, retaining the original formatting and layout quite well. However, occasionally, more complex files with intricate designs or tables may not convert perfectly, and some manual adjustments might be needed. Movavi also offers basic editing tools, which allow you to make minor changes to documents before or after conversion. While it's not a replacement for dedicated editing software, it's handy if you just need to quickly modify some text or adjust the layout. The pricing structure of Movavi is another factor worth considering. While it offers a free trial, the full version comes at a cost. This is reasonable if you're someone who frequently needs to convert files, but if your usage is occasional, it might seem a bit pricey. One of the common complaints users have is the occasional glitch or crash, especially when dealing with larger files. However, most of the time, it works smoothly and gets the job done. Overall, Movavi is a solid choice if you need reliable file conversion and minor editing capabilities in one package. Its user-friendly interface and broad format compatibility are definite strengths, though it could benefit from more advanced editing options and improved handling of complex files. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials.